Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can change your website address URL in WordPress settings. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to change your WordPress address or your site address URL, you have to log into your admin user in WordPress, and down here on the main menu, you see that you have the settings general right here, and you click on that. Down here you see on this page, you have the option to change your WordPress address URL and your site address URL, which of course you can put here as different domain if you want to, and also change the domain right here on both of them. But this will only change the domain on the WP option table in your database. If you want to change all of your WordPress address URLs in your database, you have to use the plugin that's called Search and Replace, as I showed in previous guides. But right here, you only change the main URL for a different domain or a directory, like I put right here, an inside page. So I can change the main homepage, which will be this homepage, and the user will also see right here on the URL that it has this /directory en, for an example, of course. You can also choose to change any directory you want and to change it to any page you want. But this will not change your homepage page to present to the users. It will only change the main directory for the URL when you enter the site. So if you want to change your homepage, it's a different guide. You have it on the reading page right here. If I go and change the homepage displays for a static page. If I want to choose for any of my pages in my website, of course I can do that as well right here. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to change your WordPress address or site address in the settings of your website. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.